Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to order and buy on TikTok Shop. First thing first, when watching a TikTok video, look for the shop link with an orange cart icon and the product name. Just tap the link to open the product details. A product window will expand showing product name, price, and options. You can choose Add to Cart to save it for later checkout, Buy Now to purchase immediately, or Save or Share to bookmark or send to a friend. If you tapped Buy Now, enter your shipping address and select the payment method. Confirm and place your order, and if you tapped Add to Cart, open your cart, which is at the top, and select your items. Proceed to checkout using the same steps as above. Just a tip, TikTok Shop purchases usually come with tracking info inside the app, so you can follow your order until delivery. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.